Hello guys, welcome to CodeHop. Okay, and today we are going to learn about how to install Oracle database on Windows machine. Okay, so for that, before going for installation, what we'll do is that we'll check the minimum system requirement for installing database, that is Oracle DB on Windows. Okay, so Oracle says like Oracle database minimum hardware requirement is like your system architecture should contain a processor AMD or Intel, both are fine. Okay, and the RAM should be minimum 2 GB. So RAM minimum 2 GB in this sense is like your RAM should be free at least 2 GB. Okay, so if your RAM is not freed up to 2 GB, you won't be able to install. Installation will go through, but in between you will face problem. Okay, so disk space minimum requirement is 10 GB. Okay, video adapter should be 256 colors. Okay, and the screen resolution you can see. Okay, fine. So how to install Oracle database on Windows? So for that, what we have to do is like we have to visit to this site. Okay, so it's like oracle.com /in database technology xc download.html. So this is the URL, so you don't worry about this URL. What I will be doing is like I will be posting this URL into the description. So while looking at this video, what you can do is like you can download it from the description link I have given below. Okay, so what you have to do is like you have to download the express edition for Windows 64-bit. Okay, so once you click on this, your downloading will start. Okay, you can see as it is started. So for us, what we have done is like we have downloaded it previously. So you can see that's Oracle XC213 Windows 64 zip. So this is the file in zip format, and what we need to do is like we have to right click on it and we have to extract. So for me it is coming as extract all. For you can be like extract here or extract to some other directory, or maybe you are using 7-zip or WinRAR. So according to that their option will be, it will show. So for what we have done is like we have extracted it over here. So what you have to do is like you have to go inside this directory. When you will roll it down, you will find setup.exe. So in that, what you have to do, you have to just double click start itself. So you can see as if like configuring window installer, and this the installation process started. Okay, so now you have to go next. You have to accept the license agreement, and then you have to do next. Again, it will ask for a directory where you want to place this installation directory. So by default, I have selected whatever came in here. I will do next. Now it will ask a database password. That means whenever you will be logging into the Oracle database, which is installed on your system, you need to provide a password to log in into it. So for simplicity purpose, what we'll do, I will keep my password as root and root as well. Then I will do next, and then it is finished. So you can see as the installation have started, and it is telling that this may take several minutes. So be sure that it will take at least 18 to 20 minutes. So let us wait and see, and let installation get completed. Okay, so we'll wait for installation to complete, then we'll proceed. So guys, you can see, right, our database has been installed successfully. So you can see that port number which has been allocated by default by this software to this Oracle database is 1521, and your Oracle database installation is completed. So now how to access this? So to access it, what you have to do is like you have to open Windows, okay, and you have to search like just SQL plus. Okay, SQL plus. So you can see it is asking for username. So first time what you give as sys dba system dba. Okay, so then you give sys dba. So it will ask for password, so you give a default password. So you see it is being connected, and you can see that release version is this, okay, and the version is currently this. So if you want to list out the tables inside the database, so what you can do, you can fire a command or query, select star from cat, and you give a where condition, and you can type row num is less than 5. So I just want a 5 output, not more than 5 number of lines. So you can see this, we got it. So this is how you will do an installation database, and I'm quitting this. So this is how we are going to install Oracle database on Windows system. So guys, thank you for watching.